Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Jayashree Ramana. I am a Reiki Grandmaster and Wellness Coach. If you love to watch content on health and beauty and are working to create the best version of you and your life, you are in the right place. Because here I talk about physical health, mental health and living the life of your dreams. So don't you forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my social media accounts. So recently, I was approached by many clients who are now in their late 20s and still struggling with acne. So they said that they tried antibiotics and or birth control pills in the past, which worked quite well to clear up their skin. But as soon as they went off the medication, their acne relapsed within 2 to 3 months along with a host of other problems like respiratory infections, stomach infections and weakened immunity. And that is what inspired me to make this video. You know what? We all use antibiotics for so many things like cold, cough, sore throat, etc. Antibiotics are also very commonly prescribed for the management of acne. But we need to understand the difference between some acute conditions like cold and cough and acne. Acne is a chronic inflammatory condition which is caused by your hormones. Your hormones are out of whack, and that is what you need to address if you really want to banish away your acne forever. So antibiotics do not address your acne because antibiotics work by killing off the bacteria. It does help to clear up your skin on a short-term basis, but if you are not addressing the real cause, which is your hormones, you cannot expect to get a permanent solution. Secondly, antibiotics are very non-specific about the bacteria that these kill. So these are going to kill the bacteria on your skin which are responsible for your acne. But along with that, antibiotics would also kill all the bacteria present in our body along with the ones present in our gastrointestinal tract, the friendly bacteria which are participating in our digestion process and in so many of our physiological functions. So this results in weak digestion, which makes us prone to so many other infections like respiratory infections, stomach infections and a weakened immunity in general. So you cannot expect to use antibiotics for an indefinite amount of time. Besides that, when you use antibiotics over an extended period, these bacteria develop antibiotic resistance, which means that the same antibiotic that was earlier clearing up your skin would no longer act against the bacteria that is causing your acne. Therefore, do not look upon antibiotics as the final solution to acne. It is just like putting a band-aid to the real problem, which is also required sometimes. Say for example, if you have your wedding scheduled in 2 to 3 months, it's perfectly alright if you just want something that works quickly. But if you really want to banish away your acne forever, you have to address your hormones along with your subconscious beliefs. And if you want to know more about this, please watch my previous video. Now at the end of the day, it is your call if you decide to take antibiotics to address your acne. And if you do decide to take them, please look at the following points. Number 1, never ever take antibiotics on an empty stomach, and do not lie down after taking an antibiotic because it might make you feel dizzy or nauseous. Secondly, when you are taking antibiotics, ensure that you have an adequate intake of probiotic foods as well. What are the probiotic foods? Do you know? Probiotics are the foods which supply us with those friendly bacteria which are good for our digestion and help us in so many physiological processes like the ones present in curd. You could also take pickles, you could take fermented vegetables and fruits. In India, we have lots of fermented foods like idli, dosa, sambar. They're all made of fermented rice. So that's again a plus. You can also take sauerkraut and any other food which is having all those friendly bacteria. There are many supplements also available for providing those probiotics. It would be great if you include some probiotic foods in your everyday diet. So I pretty much summed up why I would not recommend antibiotics or any allopathic medication for the treatment of your acne. But if it works for you, then go ahead. At the end of the day, what matters is how you feel about yourself and how mindfully and beautifully you live your life. Acne doesn't define you. So whether you have acne or not, hold your chin up and walk out with that kick-ass self-esteem. And if you have any questions, then do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.